Okay, so as you can see on my dashboard, you can see that it says today revenue is $250.96 dollars on this platform, Cpagrip. And with this platform, I'm going to show you the secret way that you can use Blackhat method to make this kind of money. So without wasting much of your time, my name is Richmond. You're welcome back to Online Hustlers Academy. On this channel, I teach people how to make money online, affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, self-clicking, and anything related to making money online. So if you're somebody who is new to this channel, can you subscribe, like the video as well, and turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video, YouTube will send you notification instantly. So the only tool that you need is a complete Cpagrip, a new Cpagrip account. So as you can see, this is a brand new account that I've created for this tutorial, and I'm going to walk you through the step-by-step process how you can perform this Cpagrip Blackhat method to make money online. So somebody may ask, what is Blackhat method? This, you are going to change this different traffic from different dimension to your offers to make what you want from people. Yes, so it's just like somebody needs some money online, so we are going to convert those freelancers to our offers and to make them complete our offers so that we will make money online. So without further ado, let's move to where it says on the left side of your Cpagrip account. You can see that we have statistics and chart, monetization tools, and offer tools. So today we are not going to perform any tasks. All you need to do is we are going to convert people to different tasks. So all you need to do is to hit on monetization tools. It's like we are going to monetize a certain we are going to use different traffic to make this kind of money. So first thing, what you need to do is to go to Google and search for logo. So somebody may ask, what are we going to use this logo for? We are going to convert people on this freelancing platform to we are going to trick them that we want logo designers, so they should complete our tasks so that they will get to know that the logo that we need. So when they complete, we are going to convert we are going to make money on a CPA platform. So I don't want this video to be very long. All you need to do is to download one of the logos and save it on your computer, and you're going to let's continue with the next step. So on your Cpagrip account, all you need to do is to move to URL and file locker and hit on that, and it's going to open up your URL locker. We are going to log this logo and send a link to Cpagrip. Send the link from Cpagrip to our freelancing website so that people will complete these offers, and we are going to make money with that. So on the dashboard of URL file locker, all you need to do is to hit on create new URL. Yours is going to show 0. There will be nothing over here. So all you need to do is to hit on create new URL and move to the bottom side where it says I agree to terms of service. Hit on that and hit on continue over here. So right after that, all you need to do is to go back to your Google and hit on Google Apps, come to where it says Drive, and we are going to upload this logo to this Google Drive so that you get the URL of Google Drive, our logo. You get the URL of our logo. So you're going to upload this thing into our Google Drive and copy the URL, move back to Google logo Cpagrip account. So this is the logo that I just uploaded to Google Drive. So I'll copy the link from this place and move straight to our Cpagrip account and continue from that place. So right after uploading, all you need to do is to right click on it and hit on share and copy link and move back to Cpagrip account. So before I continue with this, make sure to smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel, and then turn on notification bell so that whenever I drop one amazing video like what you are watching right now, YouTube will send notification. Let's continue, guys. So where you need to copy paste this link is that you need to come to where it says advanced. Okay, so CSS general, and where it says URL locked URL, all you need to do is to paste that link over there, and where it says show offer, you need to move it to 5 at least, and this is how our offer is going to look like. And this with this they will be able to know that we are moving, you are using Cpagrip. So what we are going to do is to just play around with this, and so that you're gonna look different from them, for them to complete our offer. So yes, so let's move to templates and choose another template with exception aside this. Let's use this is a capture like CPA. Yes, so you can see complete the capture below to continue. After completion, the resource will be unlocked. So let's come to this place where it says general, and then customize this a little bit. So okay, complete the offer below to prove you are a human. And after completion, this file will be unlocked. Okay, so let's hit on save and continue. So as you can see, this is the CPA content and lock URL that we locked. So we are continuing with that and move to the next stage of this video. So right after you are locked you content and URL, all you need to do is to move to a platform called upwork.com and post a job on this platform. So we are going to convert these people on Upwork to complete our offer. That we need a logo designer, so they should click the link to watch the logo that we need, so that whenever they are able to get to that point, we are going to pay them a certain amount of money so that they will design that logo for us. Yes, so let's hit on post and then create a new post. So right now all you need to do is to they say I should verify my phone number to continue, so I'll verify it and then show you how everything works. So this is a brand new account on Upwork that I created. So okay, let me type in a simple strategy ways that you can type for people to access you. So right after that, you need to select at least the main skills that you want people to be. So say for the best results, select at least 3 to 5. So I'll choose logo design, graphic design, and okay, maybe I'll choose the Adobe InDesign and hit on continue, because okay, let me use banner art is not part of logo design. So I'll hit on this scoop and we move to the next step. So it's basically 5 steps that we need to move before our ad will be created on this platform. So as you can see, they say next, estimate the scope of your work. So long-term, complex, okay, so I'll choose large because we need people to work with us. So we need more than 6 months. Select that, because we are not going to pay anybody. Yes, we need. Okay, let's select entry, and yes, I could be full-time. This could be full-time, and right after doing that, we need to hit on next to budget. It tell us about your budget. Hourly, then that means hour, we are going to pay $10 per hour, $25 per hour. So okay, you can go with this, or if you like, you can change it. So let's do it like you want to pay more than. Okay, let's add $100 per hour, and then $250. Okay, let's move to next description. So that's where we are going to leave our link to this platform, Cpagrip, and make people click on that, because the offer that we are giving them is very high. Most people are going to rush to this offer and jump on that and complete our offers. So we'll quickly move to Bitly and shorten your link and copy the link to that logo URL. So all you need to do is to hit on get links and copy that, and move to Bitly and then shorten it, and come back to Upwork and paste that link over there. So this is a quick tutorial preview of what you need to type. I need a professional logo design to design a logo for my TV station, and please, it's for a commercial use, so make sure you move away from copyright issues. We need a logo like this, and then you paste your link to that, and then please do not copy that. Just create a logo that looks like that. The file is locked. Okay, the file is locked due to bot clicks that we are receiving. So send the file after viewing it and get the I'll give you the project. Okay, so that is it, and right away we post the job for review, and when the admin approve this thing, that means you are going to make money with that. So that's it, how we perform Blackhat method on CPA marketing to make money with Cpagrip. So that's it, and in my next video I'll give you update on how everything went on this Cpagrip account. So guys, that's it for today, and make sure to smash on the like button, subscribe to the channel as well, and then comment down below your questions. I'll be there to answer you, and until I see you in my next video, don't forget that I do love you guys. Bye bye for now, and stay safe. Peace out.